In this video, I'm going to show you two ways to get this cross pattern on the side faces on a 3x3 Rubik's Cube using an algorithm and using an algorithm that we've already learnt. Check out my other videos showing you how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube, a 3x3, a 4x4 and even a 5x5. So to do this pattern you do need to start with a solved Rubik's Cube, so you need to know how to solve a Rubik's Cube or have a solved Rubik's Cube. And you need to know how to use algorithms on a Rubik's Cube too. If you don't already know how to use algorithms, then check out my 3x3 tutorial on how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So to do this pattern, we just need an algorithm. And that algorithm is U2, R2, L2, F2, B2, D2, R2, L2, F2, B2. So let's do that then. We go U2, R2, L2, F2, B2, D2, R2, L2, F2, B2. And that gives us the cross on all the side faces. So to undo this pattern, we just want a cross on the front face and make sure the top face doesn't have a cross on it. And we can just repeat the same algorithm. So let's do that. U2, R2, L2, F2, B2, D2, R2, L2, F2, B2. And there we're back to a solved Rubik's Cube. Now there's another way we can get this pattern, and if you've already learned the previous pattern that I showed you how to do, the diagonal pattern, and that is a very simple algorithm to remember, then you can actually get this pattern using that algorithm as well. For example, that algorithm was RLFB repeated 3 times. So let's do that. RLFB, RLFB, RLFB. And that gave us the diagonal pattern that we got in the previous video. Now when I showed you how to reset this back to a solved Rubik's Cube, I told you to keep this one where they met here at the bottom right. Well, if we turn this to the bottom left and repeat the same algorithm, we'll jump to the cross pattern. For example, R, L, F, B, R, L, F, B, R, L, F, B. And we get the cross pattern. So you can actually get 2 patterns just by using the previous algorithm. And then to undo this pattern using the previous algorithm, again, we want the crosses on the side and do the same algorithm. R, L, F, B, R, L, F, B, R, L, F, B. Now we're back to diagonals. Turn it so where the join is on the bottom right, and do it one more time. R, L, F, B, R, L, F, B, R, L, F, B. And there we go, also back to a solved Rubik's Cube. 2 ways to get to the same pattern. Hope it helped guys, and thanks for watching. For more Rubik's Cube patterns, check out my other videos. And also, if you know of any other Rubik's Cube patterns that you'd like me to make a video of, then feel free to leave a comment in the comment section with the algorithm, and maybe I'll make a video of that in the future. Thanks a lot guys, bye.